Today I am going to present on sectoral opportunities in coir and allied products. Just a few minutes back, CFTRI scientist, he has presented the food products demand and the opportunities. In that he has presented the coconut products. In that from the coconut pulp, from that what are the other products they can make. So that he has presented. Now I am going to present the waste when the farmers are growing coconut for the coconut nut purpose. So once it is dehusked, husk will be separated and the nut will be separated. So the nut they are using for the different purposes. They can extract the oil, they can extract the milk, etc., etc. But here the farmers are wasting the husk. That is very important. That is the gold actually. From the husk, what are the other products we can make and what are the opportunities are there, that I am going to present it before you. This is the coconut tree you have all seen. This is the green coconut, that is immature coconut. When the green coconut we have dehusked, this is called the green husk. What is this? This is dry coconut. Usually in Tiputurit, in the Tumakuru and Hasan area, we are all growing the dry coconut because they are keeping for 1 year in their shed, then they are opening it. So when they are dehusking it, this is the dry coconut husk. When you are extract the fiber, so from the green husk, we are extracting the white fiber, and from the dry husk, this is the brown fiber. What is coir fiber? From this, what are the properties of the fiber? The coconut fiber is extracted from the outer shell of the coconut husk. There are two types of fibers. One is white fiber, another is brown fiber. Actually, in the engineering purposes, they are using only the brown fiber. That too in this area, because in Karnataka, we are all growing coconut, but it is dried coconut. You are dehusking the dry coconut. Dry coconut defibered fiber, it is brown fiber. This is usually used in all engineering purposes. What are the properties of coconut fiber? The length, it is varies from 60 to 250 millimeter. Diameter is 60 micron. Density is 1.4 grams per cc. Tenacity is 10 grams per tex. Breaking elongation is 30%. Moisture regain is 10.5%. It contains 43.44% cellulose and 45.84% of lignin. This is the speciality of this fiber. This fiber contains 45.84% of lignin. This is the God gift for this fiber. In all of textile kingdom, this is the only fiber contains lignin content. No other textile fiber contains lignin. This is the only fiber. Because of this lignin, it contains, it resistant to the acids, salinity and alkalinity. This is the advantage of this fiber. Main advantages of the coir fiber: it is 100% moth proof, resistant to fungi, gives excellent insulation against temperature and sound, so that it can be used for acoustics, not easily combustible, flame retardant, unaffected by moisture and dampness, very tough fiber and it is very durable, resilient, and spring back to its shape. That is why it is used in the manufacture of mattresses. And it is totally static free, easy to clean, it is biodegradable, and it is eco-friendly. This is the value chain of coir fiber. From the coconut, we are dehusking it and we are extracting the fiber, that is the coir fiber. From the coir fiber, we can make the yarn. From the yarn, we can make all different types of household items, mattings, etc., etc. And in the civil engineering, the major application, we are using the coir geotextile. That is one product. And here, the brown fiber, from the brown fiber, we can make the composites. So those composites, it is alternate to the wood. Instead of wood, we can use this compound. And also the one more, when we are extracting the fiber, the powder, that is called pith, coir pith. The coir pith is the gold actually. The coir pith we can make into manure. So that manure we can use it for different purposes in the nurseries and all other horticulture plants. The sectoral opportunities. First is coir fiber. When we are extracting the coir fiber you can use it for different products as well as you can, as it is, we can export it. There is a lot of demand for export. The coir fiber, we can spin it, we can make into the yarn. We can make the yarn 2-ply, 4-ply, 8-ply. You can make the ropes also. Those ropes also, different application. And the coir basic products, this is coir mats, foot mats, mattings, ropes, etc., etc. These are all the basic products. And the coir engineering products is very important for the students, for the new age thinking. In that, first is coir geotextiles. The coir geotextile in Kannada, it is called as Bhuvastra. So this is usually applicable in the civil engineering applications. What are the advantages in coir geotextiles? It is very durable, it absorbs water, resistant to sunlight, facilitate seed germination in the soil, and 100% biodegradable. There are 3 types of coir geotextiles usually manufactured. It is ISI standard, as per BS standard and IS standards. One is 900 GSM, 700 GSM and 400 GSM. That means 1 square meter of coir geotextile weighs how much grams? That we can call it as GSM, grams per square meter. The application of coir geotextile, where we can use these coir geotextiles. First one is rural road construction, because Government of India, they have made compulsory use this technology in South Indian states. That is in Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Andhra, all states, they have to use this technology. So they have made it compulsory. So how we can use the coir geotextiles in the roads construction? So this is the subgrade preparation. Once the subgrade is ready, then on the subgrade, we have to lay the coir geotextiles. Because in the rural road, it is 4 meters width. But we can manufacture 2 meters maximum width. That is why there are 2 coir geotextiles we can lay on the road side by side, and we can join together by the help of the hooks. And this is the preparation, initial preparation. Then once it's ready, then the graveling on that and the GSP layer. Once the GSP layer is finished, then the road finishing. This is how the rural road we can make by using coir geotextiles. So what is the functions of coir geotextile? Why we have to use coir geotextiles in the construction of rural roads? These are the advantages. It acts as reinforcement. Maybe in the civil engineering you are all studying. What is reinforcement? Reinforcement means it gives strength to the road, additional strength to the road. And the second, it separates the subgrade as well as the GSB layer. So in between that, Kair geotextile is placing so that when the water pouring, that is because of the rain, it absorbs the water, and due to the slope at the side, it will drains off. So that the subgrade as well as the GSP layer, it won't intermix. Therefore, the life of the road is increases. And it absorbs water and it acts as drainage. So these are the three functions. Then in the embankment construction, so there are many embankment. You can see these are the sliding happens in embankments which are affected by heavy rains, hill slopes. That too in Madikeri area, Chikmagalur area, South Canara, North Canara, there lot of landsliding is happening. So those landsliding, how we have to construct? There the engineers are constructing by using cement, steel, etc., etc. But by using cement, steel alone, we cannot do this. By using Kair geotextile, it's a natural stabilization. So due to that, we can stabilize the slopes. So this is one example I am showing. This is in Madikeri. So in the landslide has happened. So how they are doing? See, in the downstream, they are stabilizing by using Kair geotextiles. And the upstream is stabilized by soil grouting and the steel gabions they are using. And once it is ready, in the downstream, they are putting the grass. So any grass we can develop there. And the final road, you can finish it. It's a very cheap technology and stabilization also easy. And here we are using the vetiver grass. This is one Indian grass. Very much, many of us, we doesn't know about this grass. This grass, it's a native of India. It can grow up to 1.5 meter of height. Roots can grow vertically inside the ground, up to 2 to 4 meters in depth. This is the only grass. And it accepts soil pH up to 3.3 to 12.5. That means in acidic as well as the basic, alkaline. Both media it can survive. This is the only grass. And it tolerant the temperature, just you see, minus 15 degrees centigrade to plus 55 degrees centigrade, it can survive. This is the only soil. This soil, we can use it in the slopes stabilization by using Kair geotextiles. This is the advantage. It is very economical, eco-friendly, easy adaptable, and natural stabilization. And in the mines, in Karnataka, in Maharashtra, there are many mines are there. There, after taking the mines, ores, the dumps will be, lot of dumps will be there. So that dumps, we have to stabilize it. How to stabilize that soil? So this is the picture I have took from Hatti gold mines. This is almost 650 hectares of area they have dumped this soil. It's a useless soil. So how to stabilize this soil? So this is the, on experimental basis we did. So we laid the Kair geotextiles. On that vetiver grass we have grown. After 3 months it is like this. You can see the picture. And after 9 months it is the picture. So there we cannot grow anything in that soil. So the plants are growing here. And mines, in the critical mines stabilization, so in the critical, this is also on trial basis we did in the bauxite mine in the Maharashtra. So in the upstream they are going to take out the trenches, and we are keeping the Kair geotextile rolls and lay on the downstream, and they are preparing it. And after that, we are sowing the grass seeds on it and watering it. After watering, after 21 days, it starts sprouting. And after 20 days, you can see the grass. And after 45 days, it will become the grassland. So on that, so there only they have made the nursery. That is teak wood plants, there we can plant it. Then water harvesting ponds. In the agriculture department, horticulture department, there are many water harvesting ponds they are constructing. So this is the cheapest technology I can show you how to construct a water harvesting pond. So this is the pond, the small pond we constructed, and this is the bigger one. This is constructed in Tumakuru itself. And there, in the one rain, it is all full. And you can see the picture. So what are the advantages out of it? So here, water storage capacity can be varied. That means bigger, larger, deeper, like that you can make. Any length, breadth, width we can make. Low water evaporation because of the Kair geotextile is inside. Water percolates into the ground easily because it has got the holes. And groundwater table, it increases. Recharge of the surface water. And it is eco-friendly and very, very economical. So this is the one application. Then Kair cocoa lugs. This is one. This is the braiding technology. We made the thing, and inside we are filling the Kair fiber and making into the Kair cocoa lugs. So this is the diameter. It varies. 12-inch diameter, 16-inch diameter, 20-inch diameter. Density, that is 7 lbs per cubic feet or 9 lbs per cubic feet. Weight 5 to 19.5 lbs. Length 10 feet. So you can increase the length also. 10 feet to up to 20 feet we can make the length. Where we can use this? This is the benefits. Easy to install. Allows for deep rooting, environmental friendly, safe for surrounding wildlife, biodegradable in 2 to 5 years. It is the installation method, very simple installation method. And these are the different various applications. Seashore stabilization, backwater protection, there you can use it, and canal bed stabilization. And drainage water also we can purification. For this technology we can use. And the last product is Kair pith. This is the raw pith that is in the brown color, and this is compost Kair pith. This is 3 months compost pith. It's a manure. So this is the area where the Kair pith is the drying yard, and after drying we can make the compressed brick type for the easy transportation purpose. So you can easily transport. This is 10.5 kgs. So 10.5 kgs pith you can make into block, and you can export also. There are a lot of exports to the Netherlands. And this is the Kair pith block. And where we can use. Today you can use various applications. So in the home gardening, terrace gardening, sky roof gardening, and hydroponics. Today the hydroponics is the different new technology has come. And vertical gardening. And Krishi Mitra. This is the Government of India, they have made. In that Kair pith plus ajola, neem cake, and waste, that is fish waste, chicken waste, anything we can use, mix it, and you can keep it for 3 months. It will decompose and become the very good manure that you can use it for horticulture, all plants. And cocoa lawn. This is the Kair geotextile I have told you. On the Kair geotextile you have to lay the Kair pith and sow the grass seeds, and it will become the grass ready to use, easy to transportation, suitable for landscaping purpose. This is the easy thing, cocoa lawn. And garden articles. The various garden articles we have made by using Kair fiber, molded. These are all Kair different pots. In Bangalore has got lot of demand for these items. In different sizes also we can mold it. And the composite board. This is Kair wood. In the Kair wood, What is composite? Composite materials, you are all knowing about, it's a engineered material made from two or more constituent materials with significantly different physical or chemical properties. Here, the flow chart of the thing, in the advantages of the coir wood. 100% wood suitable product, that is a substitute product, and termite and borer resistant, better screw and nailing hold properties. So same as wood. In the wood also you can put the nail and you can take out and again you can put the nail. Same here also. For this composite also you can put the nail and take out and again you can put the, and it is flame retardant, can be finished, painted, polished and laminated. Anything you can do on this. And normal carpenter tools can be used. All type of sutge, uli, elladnu you can use it for this wood. And molded to any desired shape. Any shape you can make. And biodegradable. So these are the products I can show you. So cupboards we can make. These are the coir wood made all different types of products. And cots, various products. And coir wall panels also we can make. These are all molded products. And rubberized coir mattress. So we are all sleeping on the rubberized coir mattress. So this is the rubberized mattress and this is the block and this is coir sealed mattresses. And these are all the pillows. And this is the coir mattress. Usually this is the layer, two layers of coir blocks and with sponge they are using and making the mattress. And coir handicrafts. So various types of handicrafts by using coir fiber and we can make. And coir brushes. And coconut handicrafts products. And tufted mat. This is also one industry we can make, start in Karnataka. It has got a lot of demand. And coir broomsticks. This is also not a neglected sector. This also has got lot of demand. And now also nobody has made the brand name for the coir cocoa brooms. So any of you, you can make the brand name and you can send it to the market. And coconut shell charcoal. It's an activated carbon. So this is the shell. This is also waste product. So from this we can make into charcoal. So this charcoal we can treat it in a high temperature with atmospheric condition. We can convert into activated carbon. This activated carbon you can be used in all types of filtration purpose, air purification, drinking water, all types of gold purification in chemical industry. And international landscaping also they can use. I can show you some pictures. Japan. So this is the roads after installation of the coir geotextile and make into a green thing. You can see the coir geotextile. Now it has become the green technology. This is the Lavasa city that is in Pune. So this is my conclusion. Coir industry is an agro-based industry. The farmers are direct beneficiary in this industry. This industry is able to provide huge number of employment. In Karnataka, approximately total coconut growing fields are 4,41,000 hectares. In Karnataka, approximately total coconut production annually 36,888 lakhs nuts. The yield of fiber at 75 kg per 1,000 coconut husk. Yield of pith is at 150 kgs per 1,000 coconut. Use coir, save our Mother Earth. Thank you.